Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your phone's Chrome is up to date, because extensions need recent browser builds. Once done, decide whether you'll install an alternative Chromium browser that supports extensions on mobile or use a remote desktop method to access desktop Chrome. Make sure you have storage space and permissions ready for any new app. You'll avoid needless settings changes in standard Chrome. Instead, proceed immediately to acquire the compatible browser or set up your remote connection so you can install extensions next. You now install the chosen solution. If using a Chromium-based mobile browser, download and open it, then navigate to Settings and enable extension support. If using remote desktop, connect to your PC and open desktop Chrome there. Once connected, sign into your Google account to sync extensions, then visit the Chrome Web Store to add the extension. Make sure to review requested permissions before installing. If the browser supports unpacked extensions, you can sideload developer files after enabling developer mode and following prompts. You finish by opening a web page to confirm the extension's functionality and adjust its settings for optimal behavior. If it doesn't run, restart the browser and clear cache, because lingering state often blocks new extensions. Make sure extension permissions are granted. Once you've retried, reinstall the extension if problems persist, or switch to the remote desktop approach as a fallback to run desktop Chrome extensions. Remember, permissions and compatible browser builds are the most common causes of failure, so verify those first.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.